Good morning friends. In the problem is given pentagonal pyramid 20 side. First I will write data. Pentagonal pyramid 20 side and 35 axis length means triangular height is called as 35 is placed on HP. Resting on HP means below XY line. One of its slant triangular face. Slant triangular face means, for example, this is called a square triangle. In that square triangle, the slant triangular means the flat edge is called as a slant triangular face. If it is inclined slant triangular face at 0 degree, that is called as a slant triangular face. If it is mentioned slant edge, the corner is connected to center to another corner, that line is called as a slant edge. In that problem is given slant triangular face, the triangular face is to be placed on the XY line. That is called as a slant triangular face, means 0 degree. I will write slant triangular face, nothing but edge method. When the axis is to be inclined to VP at 45 degree, the VP equals 45 degree. Here is a given axis inclination, so that's why it is called a beta problem. First, I have to write for the XY line. Y, X, VP and HP. The pentagonal you have to write with respect to edge. First you have to draw 20 line. Measure 72 because 360 divided by 5 sets, you will get 72 degrees. So that's why you have to measure outside angle is 72. Same thing, you have to measure outside angle is 72. Thin line. Take compass, measure 20, you have to cut 20 on the line, the 20 you have to cut on the line, 20, it's forward, you have to cut 20. You will get a pentagon with respect to corner. After that, you have to write the corner is called as A, B, C, D and E. Now you have to find out the center, corner to opposite center. The corner to opposite center you have to draw. Next, corner to opposite center you need to draw. That point is called as a O. Next, you have to project front view. That's why you have to draw one projection line from all the corners. From all the corners. Next, the height is given 35 from the center. This is called the center. From the center, you have to measure 35. Next, you have to write pyramid to all the corners. Dotted line. The problem, the A is a visible A dash, B is a visible B dash, E not visible, in bracket I will write E dash. C is visible, but D is not visible. The point number that is called 0. O1, O dash, O1 dash. O dash is not visible, O1 is visible. After that you have to incline some angle there, but here given slant triangular face get, so that's why the slant triangular face you have to incline 0 degree angle. So that's why I can take measure the 0 to O, 0 to O, select any one corner at O, that point is called as C dash, D dash, O1 dash. After that, measure C to A, O to A, that point is called as A dash. After that, the triangle is inclined to 0 degree angle. Need to find out one more point, C to B dash, and O is in center. O is in center. That point is called as O dash, B dash, B dash. Join that line. E is a dark line, but O you have to draw axis line. After that you will get 0 degree angle. But I want HP inclination, project A, the center line is called as A. B, that point is called as O. Next C, same line is D, E, join A, B, C, D, E and A. The point is called as 0. Next O1, from the center O1, join all the lines. 2, 3, and the corner also C and A. But O to C and D is a dotted line. O to C and D is a dotted line. So after that, beta problem, VP at 45 degree. First you have to project one line, select any one point. The problem is given 45 degree beta problem. Select 45, draw the line. In that problem is given axis is inclined, so that's why it is called as a beta problem. If it is mentioned up here, that is called up here problem. 45, select any one point. First you have to measure O to O in the first step, O to O1. Select and cut. You have to draw one locus. Locus means the horizontal line. An horizontal line through the point. Next you have to select O to O1. Second step O to O1. That part is called as a O. Second step O to O1 you have to cut. Second step O to O1. That point is called as O. O1. Just you have to join and continue that line. That angle is called as a beta. You need to find out that angle. The angle is 52 degree. Next, same second pentagonal you have to write on the 52 degree. You know 2 points O and O1. After that you have to find out O to A is a on line. So that's why first I will find out O to A. Next O to D and O to E. Next O1 to D. O1 to E. Just you have to extend the arc. That point is called as a D. Extend the task. The point is called as a D. Beta is 52 degrees centigrade. Next, D to C need to find out. D to C and D to B means O to B. Next O1 to C, O1 to C, O1 to B. Just you have to extend the top. That point is from C to B. Now you have to join all the corners. D to C is a straight line. D to B, D to A. Next E, D to dotted line. C is a dotted line. Next E to A, B. That is also you have to incline 52 degree. But I don't want on HP diagram, I want VP drawing. So that's why project all the points. For example, I will take A. That line is called as A. Next to B. Next to C. Dash. Because of above HP, you have to write dash. D. The D is a corner. D dash. Next to E. Continue the line that E dash. That point is called O1 to O1 dash. First you have to join all the lines. A, B, C, D, B to A to D. Now you have to connect from C to D to A. C to D to A, you have to join. That point is called A, D. After that, you have to connect to O from all the points B to O, A to O, B to O. But from the bottom view, the D point is not visible. In that D point, that is called the D point, you have to write dot line, because it's not visible, so that's why dot line, center line, that point is called as a O dash, O dash you have to draw axis step. That is called the after inclination of pentagonal with respect to edge beta problem. Thank you.